So we have a bar of soap in the microwave. It's not doing anything. Ooh, something's happening. It's maybe bubbling under the bottom. I'm waiting for it to do something dramatic, but so far it's just kind of bubbling up a little bit. I'm waiting for it to do something dramatic, but so far it's just kind of bubbling up a little bit.
Okay.
I hate him so much. Here, it's just a big old lump of white foam on the plate there.
Well, you know, the real experiment would be to try it with different kinds of.
Oh, that's not too
really
bad.
Cool looking.
Oh, that's super cool.
It mutated into this
Oh.
giant. It looks like a big tumor.
It looks like a white,
Looks like a big.
floral smelling tumor. Smell
Wow.
that. Touch it. Touch it. Your finger can kind of go through it.
Really, I don't want it to pop because if it pops,
No, it won't.
I didn't want to get into my eyes.
All right. Well, thank you,
Oh, it's mushy.
students for science, for saying that.
Squishy.